Matilda, and this is Kath, and we're working on the DrawMyLife project for EmpowerHack. So just to give you a quick overview, DrawMyLife is a Rails app that we created at the hackathon that has so much potential in trying to raise awareness for children's mental health. It's primarily created for Terre to use at the refugee camps where they hold art therapy sessions and collect children's drawings. And what we would like them to be able to do is to upload these drawings somewhere online and be able to input important information, for example, the child's gender, the camps that they're collected in, the mood of the drawing even, and eventually create a really interesting and very unique data set that can be used in the humanitarian community to analyze mental health patterns in refugee children. So something really great about this project is the diversity of the team.
We have a fantastic team working with us. So Chrissy is the project lead and project manager. So we have Tanya, who's our front-end developer, Rocio, who has been working with us on UX and has been really pivotal to that. Steve, who was QA but also back-end dev as well. We have Elizabeth, who has, she has front-end, but she's also done a lot of UX consultancy, so she really helped us with the usability testing and knowing what questions to ask and knowing when to keep quiet. And who else? We have some new members. We have Dharma, who's going to join us and work with us on data strategy and communication. We have Rachel as well, who will be working with us on data strategy, and Marissa, who's just joined us, working with us on UX and research. At the moment, we are running our first pilot of the upload site. We're working with a couple of fantastic ladies in Serbia, Valentina and Nina, who are psychological counsellors working with children at the distribution centre there. So they've already begun uploading the drawings and adding the metadata, so we're getting our first data set, which is really cool and exciting. And one of the things we learned actually from working with them, because we did some testing with them beforehand, is how important mobile is. So we have a fantastic team who have actually made the Rails app quite responsive, so actually can work on a mobile. So the ladies are uploading via mobile, which is really great. So that pilot's going to run until next week, and after that we'll start to analyse the data and look for some early patterns, and then hopefully do some more pilots, gather some more data based on what we've learned, but also look at how we can start to visualise this data through a front end, and how we can actually integrate it with the humanitarian data exchange, which is really great because HDX is this kind of data, kind of data about emotional health is quite new, so it could be kind of like really unique data for them, so that's really great.
So the potential this project has to reach spaces like the HDX. We had conversations with a representative from the HDX who's very excited about this type of data, especially because they have a standard that they're forming currently called Hexel, HXL. And for us to be able to work with them to evolve that open source project as well is quite exciting. So this project is also a good catalyst for collaboration with this project, which is run by the UN, and has lots of potential also to help campaigning for Terre with their campaigning partner, Destination Unknown. So we're learning a lot about partnerships, things that are happening in the humanitarian community, as well as the technical aspect of dealing with image uploads, and it's just a big lesson in technology and humans, and that combination is really exciting.